Gardening in harmony with nature is key to increasing self-sustainability. This approach involves growing your own food and medicinal plants while avoiding harmful chemicals. Start by planting herbs like chamomile and aloe vera, known for their healing properties. Chamomile can be used for its calming effects in teas, while aloe vera is excellent for treating minor burns and skin irritations. Strategic planting can deter pests naturally. For instance, marigolds repel nematodes, while basil keeps mosquitoes away. By incorporating plants that repel pests, you can avoid using harmful pesticides that can damage the environment and your health. Implement eco-friendly practices like composting kitchen scraps and using rainwater for irrigation. Compost enriches the soil, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers. Collecting rainwater conserves water and ensures your plants get chemical-free hydration. You can set up a simple rainwater collection system with barrels placed under downspouts to capture and store rainwater. Consider companion planting, where certain plants benefit each other. For example, planting beans next to corn provides natural nitrogen to the soil, enhancing growth. Rotating crops annually prevents soil depletion and reduces pest buildup. Another example of companion planting is growing tomatoes with basil, which can improve the flavor of tomatoes and repel insects. Create a pollinator-friendly garden by planting flowers that attract bees and butterflies. Pollinators are crucial for the growth of many fruits and vegetables. Avoid pesticides that harm these beneficial insects. Flowers like lavender, sunflowers, and zinnias are great choices for attracting pollinators. Mulching is another effective technique. Use organic mulch like straw or wood chips to retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and add nutrients as it decomposes. This reduces the need for frequent watering and herbicides. Mulching also helps to regulate soil temperature, keeping roots cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Incorporate permaculture principles, which focus on creating a self-sustaining ecosystem. Plant perennials that return year after year, providing a reliable food source with minimal effort. Examples include asparagus, rhubarb, and various berry bushes. Perennials require less maintenance and can help build soil structure over time. Remember to save seeds from your harvest for future planting. This not only saves money, but also ensures you grow plants adapted to your local climate. Properly stored seeds can last for years and improve with each generation. Seed saving can also help preserve heirloom varieties that might not be available commercially. Another important aspect of sustainable gardening is soil health. Healthy soil is the foundation of a productive garden. Test your soil to understand its pH and nutrient levels, and amend it as needed with organic matter. Earthworms and other beneficial organisms play a vital role in maintaining soil health by breaking down organic material and aerating the soil. Water conservation is also crucial. Besides using rainwater, you can implement drip irrigation systems that deliver water directly to the roots, reducing evaporation and runoff. Mulching, as mentioned earlier, also helps retain soil moisture. Lastly, be mindful of biodiversity in your garden. Plant a variety of crops to prevent pest outbreaks and encourage a balanced ecosystem. Different plants attract different beneficial insects and wildlife, which can help keep pest populations in check. By aligning your gardening efforts with nature, you reduce dependence on commercial products, cut costs, and contribute positively to the environment. It's a rewarding way to enhance your self-sustainability and enjoy the benefits of fresh, homegrown produce. Not only will you be providing for yourself and your family, but you'll also be doing your part to protect the planet.